Hey everyone, so now today the equipment that we have dismantled here is the stabilizer. The stabilizer has various lots of parts which contains natural metals which can be used for further use. And now each and every part has been dismantled out here, which I want to show you one by one what we got and what can be used further. So starting off, here is the motherboard of the stabilizer, which contains these capacitors and the silvers which will be extracted out further for the further uses. Then we got many electrical wires. Now inside the electrical wires, if it's visible to you guys, these are the copper which will be further processed out to make into raw form. Then we have the iron body of the stabilizer. This iron body is also scraped out and used for further, making new materials out of it. There we also found rubber in this, which can also be recycled and used for many things that we use around. So that was a thing. And then also we found copper. So this, if you can see, this is copper. This copper thread could be made into ingots and used for further use. The main thing that we got out of this stabilizer was this thing. This is basically which provides the power supply and stuff, and this wires, everything is made of aluminium. So basically it contains so much aluminum which can be processed out and used for further making new items. Now in the next video we are specifically going to show you how aluminium is being processed and how it's going to be used for various uses. Stay tuned with us to know more. Thank you.